friends, this envelope is from Marissa, the Fun Size Crafter. And I have to say, I love all the stickers she put on the envelope, and I love these stamps. So actually, let me make sure I got everything out of the envelope. I'm going to go ahead and remove these because I'm definitely going to use these in a project. Look how sweet they are. Ah. So, friends, this is my 4K giveaway, and I asked for a piece of ephemera from certain themes, and those will be listed in my description box. And unicorn is one of those themes, and we can see here that we have some unicorn goodness going on, and it's so cute. So first, let's have a look at this. This is an earring, actually, which is very clever. I have some of these, and I never even considered putting them on and then hanging a charm from them. Very clever, and thank you for the idea. Then we have these index cards, and look at that. How cute is that? And this one has a little rainbow and flowers and another unicorn. These are adorable. This is going to look great in the journal that I make. That's so cute. And I'm going to be inspired by the goodies that you send me, because I think I'm going to go ahead and make a digital kit to coordinate with the journal that I want to make. And so the ephemera that you guys send to me, I think, will be a wonderful inspiration. First, before we even open this, look at this. This is vellum. I can feel that it is. At least I think it is. I'm pretty sure. And then it's got all these fun stickers on it. Let's have a look at the back real quick. Look how cute. I can reuse this whole thing in a journal as well. Look at the unicorn cat. That's so cute. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, look how pretty these die cuts are. I love them. Oh my goodness. These are so cool. We've got some pink, and we have the nice minty green, and then I think I see a blue. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is like a aqua, so pretty, and then a pink, so pretty. Love those. And then look at this. This is so cute, and it has like a whatever the stickles would be called in the professional world, that's on there, which I love. And this is just so cute and whimsical. How fun. And then here, this looks like a card. Let me see. Oh yeah, it is. And there's an envelope with it. Okay, I wasn't sure if it opened or not. I was working it to see if it opened. Look how pretty that unicorn is, you guys. So pretty. I'm loving everything. And then look at the unicorn tag. So pretty. And look at this nice big banner. This is amazing. Ah, how cute. This will be great as a page in a journal. How fun. Oh, and on the bottom, I'm sorry I didn't see your note earlier. It says, stay unicorn. That's so cute. Hi, Jovi. Congrats on reaching 4K subbies. But before you know it, you'll be celebrating 5K. Enclosed is my entry to your challenge. Hope you like the unicorn theme. Hugs, Marissa. And on Instagram and YouTube, she is Fun Size Crafter. Thank you. I love them all, and I'm so inspired by everything. And it makes me antsy to sort of get on and start working on a digital kit for these. Friends, this fun, fancy flamingo envelope comes all the way from California from our friend Kara. Friends, here is the package of goodness that I see more flamingo stuff, which is just so fun. And so this is from Kara of Paper Confessions with Kara Mia. And I love that she wrapped this in a pretty pink and white check piece of fabric. That's so fun. Now, I wonder, since I saw the card last on the last package I opened, let me look real quick and see if there's a card. And I don't want to spoil all the goodies. I just want to take a quick look. Maybe it's in here. Let's have a look in here. It says just for you. So I bet you there's one inside of this, and this is probably extras. Well, I would say so. But let's have a look, you guys. I'll be sure to link all of the information about my 4K giveaway in my description box in case you guys want to join in. It's just for you. And look, she loaded it full of prettiness. Let me read this first. Hi Jovi, so excited for you as you celebrate your road to 4K. Hope you like the bird tag I made for you and a few ephemera pieces for your beautiful journals. Hugs, Paper Confessions with Cara Mia. I can't wait to see the bird tag that you made, and I think it's right there. Oh my goodness, look how pretty it is. We'll get back to these. Let's have a look at this beautiful bird tag for my bird journal. I love it, and I'm making the bird journal in August, and actually probably by the time you see this, we'll be getting very close to August, and this is just beautiful. I really love, there's so much fabric going on here and so many layers and just trim and all of this, and then look on the back, so many paper layers with a little fabric over here. What pretty ribbon that is, pretty trim. Oh, it's so beautiful, Cara. I absolutely love it, and actually my bird journal stuff is already on my desk. So I'm popping that right up there right now so I don't put it in the wrong spot and then forget to use it. So here, oh, look at this, guys. Okay, hang on. Let's look at these one at a time. Look at these pretty cards. This has some cake here, and I'm going to be doing a sweets journal. So I definitely, oh, look at that. As a matter of fact, I think I might have the matching chipboard to this. So this is going to be fantastic for the sweets journal. Oh, look. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Beautiful. Best day ever. Oh, look at that. Like a bundt cake. I love it. Dare to dream. Yes, ma'am. And then look at that one. These are beautiful. I love them. Like I said, I think I have the coordinating chipboard to that. So that's going to be wonderful. This is definitely going in the sweets journal. So I have to put that in this pile over here. And then look at this amazing recipe card. I mean to tell ya, this is so aged. You can see that this was one of their favorite recipes because it's got stuff all over it from having it out on the kitchen counter. Cream puffs, yum-y. Oh my goodness, this is fantastic. Well, that can go in my home sweet home journal, so I'm going to put that right there. Look at these pretty papers. Oh, look at the gnome. So cute. And that's on vellum. Very cool. Look how pretty these are. Oh, how lovely. Fixin' 2. Yeah, that's got to go in the home sweet home journal, I'm thinking. I need to do a cooking journal too, you guys. That definitely, ooh, look at that. That definitely needs to go on the list because I have some ephemera for that. Oh, the strawberries. So sweet. I love this so much. Oh my goodness. There's a little tiny bee right up there in the corner. Oh my goodness. A time for everything. Look, that's beautiful. Indeed. A quote from Ecclesiastes 3:1-13. Just beautiful. Thank you for that. And look at these sweet little stickers, and I love these little wax seals. These are so cute. Oh, look at the message paper. I remember these. I used to work as an administrative assistant, and of course we had these. Oh, that's so great because, you know, there was no texting back in the day, so you took old-fashioned messages. So that's so cool. I love it. And then we have Vintage Magazine. Oh yeah, that is so good. Oh my gosh, that's great. That's got to be 1970s, I think. That definitely looks like the 70s to me. Look at this close-up toothpaste. Oh my gosh, look at this old advertising. It's so fun. Spaghetti and meatballs, Chef Boyardee. She's on the phone, shoving her mouth full of food. And look, it's the corded phone. Oh my gosh, that's great. How fun. Oh yeah, Blue Bonnet butter. I don't even know if Blue Bonnet still makes butter. I think they make ice cream or something. Anyway, I could be wrong about that. But that's so cool. A 10-cent coupon. You know, nobody would even cut a 10-cent coupon anymore, right? Now it's like you got to have a $1 coupon to make it, you know, worth cutting. 7 cents. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. 1975. There we go. 1975. That's awesome. Look at the recipes. This is it, Kara. You are really inspiring me to make a cooking digital kit as well. I think I need to do it so I can make a cooking like recipe book sort of journal. That would be so fun. And then look, she sent me a notebook with flamingos on it. Thank you so much, Kara. This is all amazing, and let me show this off one more time. Thank you so much for participating in my giveaway. It means the world to me. Friends, we have one more package from Angela, the Traveling Crafter. Friends, I'd like for you to have a look at this. I think this is for my giveaway, but I'm not sure. So let's get into it and find out. I mean, I'm assuming it is, but I just don't know. I'm very curious. It makes a sound. So it's some kind of container with something in it. So it's really got me curious. What on earth do we have here? Oh, look, it's so cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. Let's just have a look. You know, Angela is an amazing creator, and she just has a wonderful imagination, and the way she puts things together is just fantastic. So let's just take this whole thing in here. There's a tie around it, and so on the tie, obviously we can see this lace trim, and then we've got, this says prices on it, or price on it, and then we've got this cool little charm here, and there's a little piece of a map on the back, and then there's this tag here, and then we've got, this is so clever, this is all on a bulb pin over here, and we have some beads, and I never even thought to put the little seed beads like that. And that's a great way to use them up because we don't always use them. We've got a little gingham bow, and then she wraps some wire around it. And then on the front is this very cool beetle. I love this. That's so unique and different. And then let me see, I think maybe I slide this way. Maybe this doesn't come off. It all stays on. It does not come off. I thought it wrapped around. It does not. So now let's open this up. I don't want to break anything. How did she do this? Angela, I don't, okay, hold on, there's something here. What does this say? Oh, it just says Denise G. I don't know what that means. Anyway, it was on the bottom. So, okay, I don't, hopefully that note wasn't for me, Angela. I don't want to break anything. I know there's something in here. Am I supposed to pop it like a normal can? Guys, what should I do? I mean, I think so. How did she get it to seal so perfectly? Oh my gosh, I'm so afraid to do it, you guys. Should I do it? I'm so afraid to do it. Am I breaking something? I don't think so. I think I have to do it. I don't want to. Okay, there it goes. Oh my gosh, look, it opened right up. Look, how did she do that? This is amazing. Let me fix this. Let me put this back in place. There we go. Okay, so I've got that all straight now. Look at this. Look at these goodies inside. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Angela, how did you seal that top back up? I'm so curious. I wonder, you might have a little something on your channel about how you did that. I'm gonna have to check that out. Anyway, guys, look at how pretty this is. Oh, I recognize the paper. This is from one of her digital kits. It's, I think she maybe scanned some authentic vintage fabric, and that's what that's from, and I know that only because I have some of that paper, and so that's very cool. All right, we have got a very cool checker piece with a dragon on this side. Awesome. Let's look at the red one. This is a game I never played before. Let me see, what does this say? It says American bricks, so you build with them. So it's not Legos, but it's sort of like that, I guess. That's very cool. Love that. I'm gonna stack that right there. Look, it's just a container full of grungy goodness. Look at this old clip. And then we've got buttons. Oh, look at the hanger. I love the hanger paper clip. That's so cute. And then we have some old, I have some of these, but mine are much newer. We got these. These are like from the 70s probably. Oh, here's another one. Oh, and here's some little ones. Look at these. so fun. Oh, I think there's some more hanger ones in here. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. These would be great in the Home Sweet Home journal. Oh my gosh. And guys, this might not be an entry. I have no idea. There was no note. She might have just surprised me. I'm not sure. I'll have to reach out to her and find out. Look at this tiny paper clip. It's so tiny and cute. And then look at these. These are all aged and grungied up. And look at that. I have to be careful with rusted things, guys. I'm not allowed to get a tetanus shot. I had a reaction last time I had one. So I'll have to be, not that there's anything weird on here, but I'll just have to be careful. Yeah, I just found this out like 4 months ago. I'm never allowed to have another tetanus shot again in my whole life. So, but you know, good to know so I don't like have some strange reaction. Anyway, back to this. Look at this. This is so cool. Is this a paper clip? I'm gonna use it as a paper clip. That's very cool. It's going over here in the paper clip pile. There we go. Look at this thing. It holds cabochons, and so I'll have to find something to fit in there, but that's so cool. Here's another little clippy here. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's got a heart on it. That's so cute. This is just a great bin of goodness. Look at this. This has I'm assuming it's either a letter or a number, O or 0. Oh, you guys, look at the old car from the Monopoly kit. That's so awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see what else is in here. We have a Scrabble piece. I love it. And then we got more of our little tiny paper clips. I love them so much. Okay, and I think the rest, we got a little key here. So cute. And this is for, what do they call those? Bottle caps. Bottle caps, yes. And then we have buttons. We've got a little charm here. Look, it's a little fairy. So cute. And we have a letter G here. So I'm going to put that over here. And I think the rest is buttons. And look at the variety of buttons we have here, you guys. They're so old and so grungy. This is great. I mean, how fun. Well, thank you so much, Angela. I really appreciate it. This is just, this is a container full of just yumminess. Look at this old thing. I love it. Oh my gosh, fantastic. Well, my friends, thank you so much for checking out the goodies that I received today. Thanks for watching. See you soon.